everyone, I hope you're already having an amazing day. This is Jet, and in today's video, I will show you how to create a cool activity book for kids. If you're new to KDP low content book publishing or already doing it but haven't done this type of book yet, just follow along till the end because I will show you how to create the template, how to add numbers, shapes, images, and where to get cool graphics. You can also download my template to make things easier if you like. It's free and the link is in the description. By the way, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post videos like this. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get into it. So we will be creating these cut and paste templates. I will show you how to create these shapes, and then I will also show you where to find images like these and how to change their colors easily and how to make this hollow text. I will be using Affinity Publisher, but you can also use Canva, InDesign, Inkspace, or whatever software you're using to create interiors. So first off, we'll create the template. As I've said in the beginning, you can download my templates for free, but I just want to show you the basics on how to create it so you can have different template designs. So we'll try to recreate this template. Go to File, New, and then enter for the page width 8.5 inches and the height would be 11 inches. DPI will be 300, and then just hit Create. So now that you have this, use the pen tool to create a line. This is the pen tool just below this letter A icon. So click on that one, and then click here, all the way down here, and we can change the stroke into dashed, make it at 4 or maybe 5. Style would be dashed, there you go, and then the color, make it lighter, a little bit lighter, like so. Now all you have to do is select this one and then hold the Option key and drag it, and hold your Shift key and flip it horizontal. Now we resize this over here. Then all you have to do is change this to full line, and that's it. Now all we have to do is just place it, okay, and duplicate it a few more times, and then select everything and align it. Now once you have that, use the rectangle tool to create the boxes. So this is the rectangle tool, just click on that one and hold Shift key to create a perfect square, like so. Now over here we can change the stroke and the fill. So we don't want any fill, so this is the fill. So we just have to click on this one, tiny icon that has like a red line, and we go on this stroke. You can change the color of that. So you can just slide this like this, maybe like that. And we can also change the stroke or the line into a dash line. So it would somehow look like this. Okay. Now we need to duplicate this 3 times and then select everything in a line. So just hold the Option key again and then duplicate. Drag it over here. And let's change this back to a full line, like that, and we can drag this over here, and 2 more times, and the last one. And you're done with the left page template. So if you want to create the right page, you don't have to redo everything. All you have to do is click over here, and then duplicate. Do this again. So for this part, for the right page, all you have to do is select everything, group it, and then right click and transform and flip horizontal. Move it like this over to the right margin, and there you have it. So now you have this type of template. Now that you have your template, you can save this as PNG. So the first phase is done, and since you know how to create this one, you can create a different template like any of this. The next thing is I'll show you how to create these shapes so that you can create like something like this. What comes next, or you can also do shapes over here or numbers or whatever you want to put on this type of template. So let's go over here and let's just use the first page. Okay. If you've downloaded my template, all you have to do is drag that template onto your document and then just center it. Go to the folder that you saved the template and then just drag it to Affinity Publisher and just center it. For this type of template, you can do a lot of things. So you can match the letters or numbers or shapes or images, and you can do what comes next. Anything you can think of that involves cutting and pasting. I'll show you how to do all of this. So we start with the shapes, right? You can do this with pictures or graphics too. So go to this tool, the rectangle tool, and you can use any of these shapes. So for example, we want the star tool. So just hit on star and then just draw it like so. And all you have to do is go over here, and this is our fill. So we need to change the color of our fill to maybe this dark, and then you can either have a no stroke or have a stroke. It's up to you. So then that's it. You can do this a few times with different shapes and just copy and paste. So let's do a different one, maybe a polygon. So what we can do here is just copy, duplicate this one over here. You can put it anywhere you want. What comes next? Big. Alright, and you're done with that. Easy, eh? So what if you want to use graphics or images? I usually get my graphics from Creative Market, Creative Fabrica, Design Bundles, Design Cuts. They have really good products. I have all the links in my description, and go ahead and check them out. You can also get some at Vecteezy or other vector sites. One thing you have to remember is the file format of the files. For this one, I got this at Creative Fabrica. They should be in EPS, SVG, or AI. So we need the vector files, not the flat ones like JPEG. Most of the graphics on those sites are colored, and we need to change the color for this one into black and white or a gray color. I normally don't publish colored books because it's more expensive than the black and white. So I have downloaded this Sea Creatures from Creative Fabrica, as I've said. Now I can copy any of these creatures, so I can change the color to black and white. For example, this turtle. And the reason I'm copying this is because I may have a use of these colored ones, who knows. But you can also change the color right here straight away. I'll just select everything, create a new page, and then just put it here. So once you've duplicated this, select everything and then group it. Then go to Transform, Adjustments, and select black and white. Now it will look like this, but it's too light. So we can slide this. Alright, something like that. So now it's in black and white, maybe like this. Alright, so once you've done with that, you can again copy this and go to your template and then just paste it there. So you have that. So now once you're done with that, this would be like letter to image or image to letter, whatever you want as a title for this one. So now that you know where to get the images and everything, you can do this type of template. Next would be the hollow text, like this one, or the match the letters type of template. So for the letters, let's go back to our template. Okay, so now for the letters, click on the frame text tool here, then there, and let's say for this crab, it'll be letter C. And we need to change the font to something clearer, maybe Arial Round. To get the hollow effect, all you have to do is select the letter, still selected, and then we just need to change the stroke color to whatever shade of black you like, and there should be no fill. So again, go to color and then no fill for that, but change the stroke, maybe black. So once you've changed the color to black, and this is so thin, the stroke, all you have to do is go to decorations and change this to a little bit thicker. There you go. So once you're done with that, just copy this. Let's change this to F, to S, and letter T. And just center everything. And once you're done and satisfied, go on to your next template. And that's it. When you're done, you can put titles to it too, and maybe some description if you like. There's a lot more cut and paste games that you can create. You just have to do extensive research. So once you're done with the interior pages, all you need to do is export them as one PDF file. But before exporting, just make sure that you have a blank space between each of these interiors, because kids are going to cut this, so no point in having it back to back. So it's going to look like this. So if you have all this, right, add one page next to it after, and then just hit OK, and you'll have a blank page there. And for this one, you could either go click this one also, add pages. But I would like to do this one over here, and that's it. So you have one page here and blank over here because they're going to cut it. So all that's left to do is go into File and Export, and then click on PDF. That's 300 and all pages, and then hit Export. All you have left to do is create your own cover. So that's it for now. Check out my other KDP related playlist for more. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful and inspiring. I would love to hear what you think in the comment below. And please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and like and share this on social media. I truly am very grateful for all your support. Keep watching, keep learning. I'll see you next time, and bye!